Yes, 2028. Yeah, they are good. I'm gonna put a different keypad, and I'm gonna try to open it with a different keypad. Okay.
You need the code for it?
Yeah.
I want to clear the area for you.
That's okay.
Oh, it's right there. It's right button.
Okay. So when the last time you opened the safe?
Months ago.
Month ago. Okay.
Maybe 3 months ago.
Oh wow.
Yeah, a while.
Okay. So what? Can you tell me what's the code? We're gonna change it. Don't worry.
22.
22.
4.
4.
3.
3.
7.
7.
8.
8.
And it's number sign.
Okay. So now it's open. Okay.